Hello there, Brad Bone with RentMyInstrument.com. I have an interesting question. Does music really make you smarter? Now, if that means looking for a concrete slam dunk evidence about higher math, language, and science scores, then the answer has to be, well, we're really not 100% sure. Certainly, we know that musical experiences alter brain function and the brain's makeup, both in terms of morphology, or how the brain is structured, and how it processes information. Music learning certainly affects brain organization, and it's been demonstrated as a very high order thinking skill. Now, certainly, there is no such thing as a non-musician. The human brain is very unique about identifying certain musical traits. For instance, there's not a culture in the world, either ancient or modern, or civilized or non-civilized, where human beings don't recognize a musical pulse or the beats. The human brain is the only brain on the planet that does that. Why? We're not sure. We really don't know. But we do know that is a fact. Now, regardless of how music study might affect other areas of learning, for sure we know that when a child receives music instruction, they do become smarter just because the way the brain organizes and perceives music. If you'd like to learn more, go to our homepage at RentMyInstrument.com, scroll to the bottom of the page, and click on the Connections tab and get connected to the fascination and power of music.